Hey, what's there? Come on. What'd you find? Oh. Hey, come on. Leave it. Might be a bee's nest in there. Come on. Come on. What do you think you're gonna do with this stick? It's not really a stick. It's more of a log. I don't think you should, come on. You're gonna get yourself all knotted up. Hey. Oh. Do you expect a paycheck for that, or are you just earning your keep? Huh? Hey, hey, we need those. Hey, Theeny, stop, stop. Hey, get out of there. Come on. Hey. Are those good smells? What'd you find? Hey. Becky will be here. Should we go get Becky? Hey. You want to get Becky? Hey, Theeny, let's get Becky. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go get Becky. Oh, wow. Okay, I'll grab the stick. Come on. Ouch. Hey, stop. Let's go. Up. I think Becky's going this way. Well, we're gonna go inside. And you have to leave it. We'll be there.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you're not already. Leave this video a like, a comment, and share. Thanks again.